Hello viewers, welcome to Jesse's Sweet Kitchen. In this channel, I will be teaching you how to make Italian and African dish with style. So please subscribe and share this video and give it a like and press the bell icon so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be first to be notified. So viewers, let's get started. Today episode, I will be showing you how I made this my delicious meat pie. So come with me and let me show you step by step how I make it. So I have everything that I need to make my meat pie. I have my two potatoes, my ginger, half onions, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 carrots. I have my meat spices, salt to taste, 2 eggs and a seasoning cube and nutmeg that I'll be using, my meat, my whole milk that I'll be using, and some vegetable oil. I have my margarine butter, vegetable butter that I'll be using. First of all, I have to dice everything. I have diced my ginger, garlic, and onions together. And in a separate plate, I diced my carrots and my potato. So what I will do, I will put 2 pots in the gas and add a little bit of vegetable. I add my diced ginger and onions and garlic. In one pot, I will put my minced meat. In the other pot, I will put my vegetable. Stir it together very well. And in the vegetable, put a little bit of water so that it will use it to cook. So stir the meat and mix the meat with the vegetable together, and add your seasoning and your meat spices and salt and some nutmeg to taste. Stir it together, allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put it in a sieve and allow it to draw the oil out. So in a separate bowl, add 5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Add your nutmeg and some salt to taste. Mix it very well and add your vegetable butter, your margarine, and mix everything together. So I will be breaking 1 egg and 1 yolk into my flour and mix it very well. So add a little bit of your whole milk, mix it very well. So I will be using my mixer to mix it, but if you are using your hand, you have to mix it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I will be mixing my own for 5 minutes until the dough will get elastic. So mix it for about 5 minutes, so it will be ready. So on a work surface, add a little bit of flour to it, and knead a little bit and stretch it with your wooden stretcher. Use a cover of a bottle to cut it little by little. If you have a dough cutter, use it to cut it. Add the meat into the dough that you have cut and flip it around and seal it with a fake, as you are seeing me doing this way. So as you can see, guys, I have do everything. So the white egg that I put aside, I will be using it to rub the dough so that it will get that shiny color after you have cooked. So put it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. So as you can see, guys, my meat pie is ready. This is what I was telling you about. As you can see, it's shiny and it's very little. I don't like big meat pie, so that's why I use my cover bottle to cut it. So let's open it and see inside. You can see inside is very beautiful. It's very tasty. When you see it, it will be hungry you to eat it. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share this video and give it a like and press all bell notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. So follow me in my other social media platform in the description box down below. Thank you for watching and God bless you, and bye bye.